A very good morning and a warm welcome to one and all. Greetings from the Orbis School. I hope you all are doing great, listening to your parents, having lots of fun, eating healthy, doing some exercise, and watching our videos. So, children, today we are back again in our English class and we'll be doing the third story from the many stories that we would be doing throughout the year. So let's look at the pictures from the story and find out what is happening and what is the story all about. So let's begin. So children, let's see what the story is all about by looking at the pictures. From the picture, can you guess what the book is all about? Can you tell me what can you see in this picture? Who's in the picture, children? Yes, a boy and a bird. Okay. Now, tell me, children, what are the objects you see in the picture? Yes, what is this? A table. And what is on the table? Books. And what is this, children? This is a vase, right? And what is this? A pen stand. And what is kept on the table here? Newspaper. Okay. What place do you think this is? Where do you think the boy is? Yes, he's in the drawing room. Okay, now look at this page, children. What is the boy doing? Do you think he can hear a sound? What makes you think that? Yes, he's come close to the window because he heard some sound. What sound did he hear? Chirp, chirp. And that is the sound of a bird. Okay. Is the boy looking for something? What do you think it is? Where is he looking? Where do you think the sound is coming from? Yes, behind the sofa. So next page now. What has the boy found? What did the boy find in this picture? Look carefully, children. Yes, he found a bird. Now, what is wrong with the bird? Can you see? What has happened to the bird? Yes, the bird is hurt. Do you think the bird is scared? What makes you think that? Yes, look at the eyes of the bird. He looks so scared. Does the boy want to help the bird? Yes, the boy is being so kind and nice. Look at the boy. What is the boy doing? Is he being gentle? What makes you say that? And do you think the bird is still scared? No. The boy is being so gentle and kind and he's playing with the bird. The bird is so close. And they have become friends now. Is the boy helping the bird? How is he helping? See, he removed the thorn. Where is the boy now? Can you see? Can you look at the picture? He's come out of his house. Do you think the bird can fly? Why do you think so? Look carefully. Oh no, he's not able to fly. What is the boy doing here? Why is he climbing up the tree? Yes, he's helping her. He's helping the bird to get back in the nest. Do you think the boy is scared? What are the insects that you can see in the picture? Look carefully, children. Yes, there are bees. And the boy is scared of the Bees. Why is the boy running away? And where do you think he's going? Yes, he's scared and he's running away because the bees are following him. And where is he going? He's going back to his house. And who's here in the picture? His mama. And what do you think she's doing? She's making something yummy. She's cooking something yummy. Okay, what's happening here? What can you see in this picture? What is that yummy thing that mama has cooked for the boy? Yes, those are yummy cookies. But why is mama pulling the boy? Because she wants him to wash his hands before eating. Okay. And what are they doing here in the picture? The boy is talking to his mama. Children, do you chat with your mother every day? And what do you talk about? Good. You must talk to your mama every day. And here we end with the story. Were you able to answer the questions by looking at the pictures in the book? Yes? Good. That means you all were listening, looking, thinking and reading stories, and this will make you good readers. So keep reading, keep smiling, have lots of fun. See you. Take care. Bye-bye.